Hey, if anyone is in the southern Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, Delaware area that's looking for some live edge lumber, rough cut lumber, it's been stacked and stickered for at least 6 months now. I'm trying to move it to get a good deal on it. We got a stack of maple, live edge maple. You got some more maple up there. You got some pine there. And then you got some 16-foot, looks like oak, white oak lumber there. And then you have like 5-foot red oak. That's actually chestnut oak right there. Yeah, go ahead and give me a shout. I'll give you a good deal on all this lumber, trying to move it.